All right, much better. I am back for a little bit. All I had to do is reset the PC and it worked. How we doing, guys? How we doing? What do I think of trade day and Earth trade? I don't know. A lot of people have been mentioning trade day, and I just don't know. Oh no, I'm on my Apex account. No, I didn't want to trade this. Flatten, flatten, flatten. Yes. Did not want to trade this account. I had to reset my PC, so everything got reset. Well, made an extra $100 on that. I'm not gonna complain. Earn to trade. Not earn to trade. Trade day. I gotta learn more about them because a lot of people are asking. I didn't like them for some reason. I don't know what it was. So I have an end of day drawdown. No restrictions or requirements to payouts. But there's always some kind of restrictions. I don't believe there's none. How can I withdraw? Okay. All right. So the big thing is, can you take out the safety net from trade day? Can you take out the safety net? I like the fact that you get like a 50K valuation. You could still get more contracts as you increase the account size. That's really nice. Um, is there a sale on this thing? Oh, so but they don't have any sales, right? So you just pay once and that's it. But at least there's no other fees. So it's a little bit more expensive than like Tops. No, it's cheaper than Topstep. A little bit more expensive than Apex or very similar to Apex if you go. But wait, if you pass, there's no fees at all. There's no monthly fee at all. Huh. Um, it looks very interesting as long as they don't care about scalping and stuff, which I know they did in the beginning. I think they stopped that. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, you go live. I don't know if I like going live, but oh, I chased that. I'm trying to make 1500 on Top Step, and I almost had it close, and then I took a couple losses. But I'm gonna give trade day a try then. All right, guys, I'm making an account for how do I create an account? I'm gonna do the 25K one. Is there a sale on trade day? Anyone know? I'm gonna ask Nutty, 'cause Nutty knows, I think.
Not sure what we'll do if the person who wins doesn't respond. Guess we'll just wait.
Wonder where I could find that trade day coupon code. Oh, you know who might have a coupon code? I'm in. Wait, did I not upload my thumbnail? Of course, get stopped out. All right, 20% off. All right, using automated trading system designs to scalp extremely high frequency. We do not allow strategies to produce more than 200 trades in a day. Okay. So they don't allow using type brackets in order to take advantage of fills. I don't even know what I don't even know what the trade day platform is. I'm assuming it's Rhythmic. I just bought an account. I didn't check.
The first, tick the two check as a trader. 3 other points of navigation.
Uh, Okay. I got an account from Trade Day, guys. But I don't even know where my login is. Um, Dr. J, same thing. I hope for a 90% off sale because some of my 80% off got renewed from the last 90% off sale. So I got like 9 accounts now with Apex. I haven't traded them yet. I gotta trade them. But 90% off, I am gonna get funded with 20 accounts. That's for sure. I don't know what happened to Elite Trader funding, but they stopped allowing 20 accounts. They only allow 3 now, and they're saying some kind of regulation thing or something. So I don't know how long. If that's true, I don't know how long the 20 account thing will last. I made $400 on my Apex PA account. Now I'm trying to get 1,500 on the Top Step Combine. No, it's gonna be a break-even trade. The amount of break-even trades I've had today is crazy, but anytime I go over like 5 points, I just break even. Not having a trailing drawdown is beneficial for that reason. Good little scalp there. That's 869. It's like 12 points. Yeah, that took Jay. I agreed to do like 30 evals because you're not gonna pass all of them, and then you might lose some, and then you gotta wait to reset. It's better to trade more accounts than you need, and then, yeah, I'm getting killed on stocks today. Come on. I'm thinking about withdrawing from my stock account. It's been such a choppy 3 months. I've only made like a few grand, and opening a futures account. All right, how do I get my credentials for this trade day? Okay, evaluation rules, Tradeovate, Ninja Trader. Oh, there's a consistency rule. All right, so there's a consistency rule in trade day of 30% in the. Oh, that's tough. But I guess it makes sense. Oh, and I took profit too soon. Damn it. Could have basically had my target. All right, how do I get my credentials? This top step. Yeah, Matt, the restart did the trick. Does top step allow scalp trading? I think they do. I'm not super scalping it like with, my 5 to 9 ticks. I'm actually taking bigger profits here, but I think they allow. On Tradeovate's platform on TS Trader, they will not. But Alexander, do you know how to get your credentials on trade day? Like, I don't know if I'm supposed to wait for that or am I supposed to have it already? I probably should have watched that video that they said to watch. Oh man. When I signed up with the trade day, it said to watch this video and I didn't watch it. Now I regret it. Cause I don't. Oh wait, activate account. No. Okay. For some reason, it gave me Trade Evade account. I mean, I'm not gonna complain too much. Seems like anyone know why I would have delayed data on trade day? I have delayed data on it. I don't know why. Oh, I feel like such a noob. Go back to my roots with Trader 8. Yeah, actually started trading futures with Trader 8. All right, what does this market want to do? Does it want to keep going higher? Oh, does it want to go lower? I think it wants to go lower. Until it breaks the lows here. Should have hit that break even. Had 5 points. This is a good scalp zone because it's overlapping candles and chop, but not having a trailing drawdown makes a big difference. If I lose on this, it's like not a big deal. Versus if you are up a lot and then you lose on the trade with the trailing drawdown, it sucks. No, this sucks. Market's pretty strong today. Can we fail? Can we fail? I'll add and I'll stop. Let's see if I should. Oh no, I should have added. I'll add and have the same stop though. All right. What's that? Well, now the stop's gotta be break even. Holy shit, what the fuck just happened? Why am I in trades right now? I don't know what just happened, guys. What the hell's that? Oh, what was that? It got me short. 2 contracts. I don't know what. I think I was covering too much. Oh, I would have been like passed already. Not passed, but oh man, that was annoying. I thought I covered and then boom, it took me short. Time for a break. Why? You guys are funny. Uh, damn, I don't even know what happened. I need to watch the video. I'm actually delayed on the stream right now, so let me see. I had contract short. Uh, how the hell does that even happen? I can't see my orders though, so I don't know if I had an order there. But how did I end up going short here? With 2 contracts. Oh, what an annoying mistake. Still made some profit on the trade overall, but that should have been a huge trade. Yeah, but I did hit this. I hit it, and look, I lost like 7 points. What car do I have? I have a Porsche Boxster. Went to the track last night. I mean, yesterday. Had a really good time. It was a really good. I'm gonna upload a video actually. This one. GT3 RS? No, I would never buy that. That's not a track car. That's way too expensive to track. Real, like, serious track guys will never track a car like that. GT3, yeah. GT3 RS, too expensive. That's a car, you baby. What I would love to have is a GT4 for track and a 911 for street. But my goal is to get a 911. I need some of those 40K payouts from Apex. Well, I'm glad I killed that trade though. That would have been dangerous. Jesus. I'll show you guys a clip from yesterday. Google Drive. Let me see if I could download. Was there some kind of news just now? The volatility got pretty wild. So this is me on the straightaway going to turn 1. So the speed here is around 135, 140 at the braking zone. That turn is a scary freaking turn. And then I have another one. Usually I go with my brother to the track days because he tracks too, but he had an incident recently. So I brought my girlfriend and she was taking videos, which I never get. It's a lot of fun. Definitely my biggest hobby, and this is why I want to trade better and get better at trading because it's not a cheap hobby. And the more money you have to blow, the easier it is to not really care and to push the car and all that stuff. Eric, yeah, so I bought the Boxster thinking that, I mean, I still use it daily, right? But I bought it as in like I'll go to a track once in a while. So I want the, the aspect of convertible and all that stuff. But now I wish I would have bought a Cayman instead. If I had a Cayman right now, I would have been stripping it. I would have made it into basically a track car until and then keep it and then buy a 911 for daily next year. But appreciate that. I'll still sell it eventually and get a 911. I want the Carrera S with the aero kit. All right, so trade day. Let's see. I am still delayed on trade day. What the hell? How do I make it so it's not delayed data? I think I'm good now. Yes, I'm good now. Okay. It's crazy how different the chart looks on two different platforms. Actually, no, that was a 5-minute chart, but yeah. Do I do market orders? I try to. So a lot of times, yes, like I won't put the order, like let's say I want to go short here. I don't do that very often. But what I will do is I'll try, if I go long, I'm trying to go on the bid. If I go short, I try to go on the ask. That little spread difference when you're scalping makes a lot of sense. All right, well, stocks are doing a little bit better now, I think. Yeah. All right, all right. We could take that. Maybe we'll end up green on stocks today. Was down a lot, but well, this one's gonna be a loss, sadly. Okay, 350 there. I don't know. Is there some kind of news? The market just became so volatile, guys. Oh, sorry to hear that, Eric. Yeah, trading is really tough for that reason, but you know, like we think of it as over trading, but is it really, or was it just bad trades? You know, like you just gotta. The thing is, if you did it on like Apex, it's a lot different because of the of the trailing drawdown. Like the trailing drawdown really, really stings when you're up and you give it back because you might have given back profit, but you really lost because of the trailing drawdown, and it's really annoying. Like with Topstep right now, I'm up 1,000. That means I could lose 2,000 right now, you know, instead of just 1,000. If I lose 1,000, or let's say I lose 700 today from the top, I still made 300. So it makes a lot more sense. That's why the trade day thing is what kind of got me interested. I still prefer Apex, but I scalp quick and I'm just trying to make small profits. But um, we'll be withdrawing from one account at least soon on Apex. That's the difference in the price, you know, like trailing drawdown accounts are always going to be cheaper. But remember, if you're trading an eval, you know, if you're trading an eval, you only need to make a certain amount per day to pass, you know. Oh, is it PA count? Oh no. Yeah, PA counts. That sucks. How are you doing on those? Oh, is it just one? How much were you up total? Or what's your balance? Okay, now it's getting a little choppier. Pa. I've been doing um this up and down on Top Step all second part of the day. Going up over 1,000, then a loss. It's like can't win. But this would have been such a good win over here, and I don't know what happened. How did I go short? That's crazy. I don't know, I had too many orders to cover, or a glitch happened because some news came out. I don't know. Well, it's gonna be a loss here, so we're gonna be back to 8.15 on the day. I don't know what to do. I still gotta trade my Apex accounts. Oh, what a... I don't have time today though, that's the problem. Alright, this market is tricky. I think it wants to go down though, but the trend is up, but I think it wants to go down, so it's conflicting, so I'm not gonna take a trade and just wait. Obviously, I have no idea what it's going to do. It's just what I think based on failure right here. This failure kind of makes it seem like it wants to go down. Oh, so tired. I barely got any sleep last 2 days. You think it's gonna drop hard? Yeah, I would say the odds of it going down are much higher than going up, but I just gotten chopped up here, so I'm just gonna wait for something. I'm trying to make $1,500 on Topstep, so I could get it funded tomorrow. Yeah, of course. Um, yeah, you could just trade multiple charts. So like you could trade, different accounts on each chart. So I have 3 charts here. You could just trade different accounts. Same thing with Tradeovate. That is completely fine. That's what I'm doing for the most part. Like I'm trading everything individually. Oh, I'm so tempted to go short. I'm gonna do it. Oh, I missed it. Damn it. Knew it. Yeah, I knew it too. Oh. I knew it. Those are the annoying parts of trading when you miss it, when you know it, and then you take another one and then you lose. Yeah, I hit ask. I should have hit the bid. I don't really care about the crossovers, but I'm just looking at the price action. This is not like a 30-point drop. Jeez. No, it's not that, dude. Oh, you wish it was that, but that's not it. Trust me, the market makers are not looking at lagging indicators to dictate where the price is going to go. This is something that you see and you put it in your favor for it to work for you as a strategy, but that's not why things are happening. I'll make you send me your withdrawal request if you think that's what it is. Yeah, but it doesn't mean anything because the market could just keep going higher or lower. It doesn't have to reverse. Indicators are just indicators. They just tell you what's already happened. It's a lagging indicator. Every indicator is lagging. Like a 5 EMA is calculating your 5 last candles, right? A 200 is calculating the last 200 candles and the average price of those candles. So there's a million ways of trading. It's not that simple though. If it was that simple, then you wouldn't be in my stream. You would be on a yacht somewhere. But you got that trade right, and I felt it the same way. I'm not using indicators. You know, I just got chopped up here, and that's why I went short. And I just want to take a break a little bit, but this is a Head and Shoulders, so same thing. Does every Head and Shoulders gonna work? No, but it's like a mini. It's not a good one. How can I draw a Head and Shoulders here? Where here, or maybe here? I don't know, but basically, this failure is a second shoulder, and that's why I thought this was gonna go down. But I hit the right here. I hit the ask and not the bid, and then dropped too quick. Yeah, yeah, Frip dude, that's totally fine. Just when I know when people do that told you so's, I am hesitant to believe that they are consistently profitable for a long time. So just be careful. Hope I'm wrong on this one, but that's just my experience from the past. Whether I'm in different chat rooms or from streaming or talking to people that told you so's, you know, do this, do that. They've been successful for a short period of time, and they haven't experienced the markets in the worst possible ways yet, and that's why they do what they do. But once you get humbled a few times, you start to realize that it's all about the mental game. Everyone's gonna find their own way of trading, and that's that. So Fripp, dude, who do you trade with, by the way? What's your choice of a prop firm? based on your strategy, like what works best. Nice. How much have you withdrawn from them? I have a really cool withdrawal policy. So I actually just signed up with Trade Day, and I'm gonna try to take a couple trades on it today. But why nothing if you could withdraw from day one? But see what I'm saying? Like, if you've been trading like this for a long time, like you should have been able to withdraw from them already. Let's see what I'm getting at. No, you're good. You're good. But see what I'm getting at is like people that tell me like told you so, this and that, they should be rich by now. Like that's the only people that should be telling me that told you so, and not me specifically, but other people. Like you'll never see me say something like that to anyone, no matter what point of trading I'm in. Trading always is going to be difficult, and the told you so, it's just hindsight because all we do as traders is we put on risk. What happens after that, we don't know. We assume and we take on the risk based on our analysis, but it's not like guaranteed. It's never going to be. And losing is part of the game. And the told you so's is just the biggest turnoff in trading. Yeah. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah. Yeah, I felt like it was gonna go down too, but yeah, I was asking about prop firm because I just signed up with Trade Day and I wanted to see if someone else is with them. If someone actually withdrew from them. I just signed up and they gave me a Tradeovate account. I was there an option for anything else? Or how do I or can I still use Ninja Trader? What data feed do they use? And what size accounts did you guys get? I got the 25K. And do they allow multiple accounts? Yeah, Mike Benny, it's much easier to make money in trading by selling something or charging people for something than it is with trading itself. And it's the biggest, like a stigma on day trading, especially like in Forex markets or penny stocks or in crypto. Like signals don't work. Like you'll never trade exactly the same as another person. And when you get into the same trade, you're gonna react differently. You're gonna, read the price action differently. So it's never gonna be identical, but yeah, like they're not profitable. No, I think you could withdraw all your profits. I don't see a problem with that, Dr. J. So after 3 months, you should be able to request all the way through the balance of your account. I think that's if you, I don't remember reading that. Yeah, the discretion thing with Apex is what sucks. A lot of things they say is like a discretionary thing. The consistency rule, all those different things. It's like oh, it's not a hard rule, but that's what makes it difficult for people to understand as to what the rules really are. And then it creates a lot of confusion for people. Or like I got approved for payouts in 1 day, and then some people are waiting 10 days for approvals and they're confused. So I make a video, it's like, oh, I got, approved in 1 day, and that happened multiple times. And then someone else is not being approved and not getting denied either. So it's like, mm-hmm. All right, so can I use Quantower with trade day? That's the biggest question. I'm assuming they're not using. They can't be using Rhythmic, right? No, Trader has they have options for Ninja Trader. I saw that, but I don't like Ninja Trader either. I mean, I do, but it's such a heavy software that using it with Quantower and stuff, it's tough. Mainly about soccer. That's funny that you talk about soccer with them. I used to be a huge soccer fan. Still am, but not as all my childhood players retired by now. Like Messi and Ronaldo are the last two. Oh, nice. I was a huge Liverpool fan back in the day when they won the Champions League in 2005. That was the craziest game I ever seen. Against AC Milan. Yeah, Beckham days. I was a huge Real Madrid fan for most of my life. And Liverpool, I was just a fan of like the players and stuff. But Real Madrid at one point was like a all-star team. And the original Ronaldo was my favorite player. All right, so we are dumping more. Not CR7, R9. Ronaldo, CR7 is sick though too. Like he's probably better than R9, but like I really hate when people compare Messi and Ronaldo. It's like, dude, these people are like aliens. There's two of them. Like They're both great. Like, why do we have to compare between the two? It's like we might not see players like that for a long time, for that long of a career. There might be players that are good for, you know, a short span, but to that caliber, I don't know. Um, we got what, one more week, and then hopefully Apex will have a sale. I mean, there's players that are great, yeah, but like Holland is fucking insane. Yeah, I think the Thanksgiving sale will start November 1st. I think that's gonna be it. Whole month of 90%. If they do 80% off November 1st, then Black Friday will be 90%. I just don't, that's Black Friday is like the biggest sale day in the United States. So I think it would only be smart for them to do a 90% off. Oh yeah? Do you know how much I paid for those accounts versus how much I withdrew? And it's not a glitch. Someone is jealous. And it wasn't 20 accounts, it was 14 accounts. Get your math straight, sir. I paid $1,200 for those accounts. Oh my God. And I made 26 grand in September. I am so upset. These prop firms are meant to be taking advantage of them, you know? So if I didn't want to take advantage of trading, then I would just fund my own account. Just the same way I do with stocks. Like I don't use prop firms for stock trading. Look, I am down, what is it? I'm down $700 on one trade here. I'm gonna stop out right there, but and I lost $1,200 in a week of futures trading. Like I'm down $700 in one position here. What else you got to say, Lefty Music? I'm here to talk. Let's do it. My email is Alpine Trades 07. And please send me your withdrawals and your documents on how profitable and rich you are from trading. Ivan, I've never tried Footprint on Quantower. As far as the software itself, I have no problems, but I do use a gaming PC. So my PC is is meant for gaming, right? So it's not gonna feel any trading software. I know that Ninja Trader was heavy. When I was using Footprint charts, it was so heavy on it. House music is, I'm a DJ, so that's my main job. My full-time job is being a DJ. I just trade part-time for fun. If I make, yeah, I've openly said it. So, but if I make 5 grand a month trading, like to me that's like this month is my worst month in a long time, mainly because of how many accounts I lost. But I still withdrew $4,500 from Bull Knox, and I paid whatever, like 2 grand total with the evaluations, maybe at most. I didn't do the math yet, but I paid 1,200 for the funded accounts, and then I did some evals that I had to pay for the evals, and I did some other evals that I lost. So even if I spent 2 grand, I still made $2,500 worth of profit on the worst month in a long time. You're already rich from not trading? I wouldn't say rich. No, definitely not. I get by, but not rich. Yeah, IT is a good business. Whether you work for someone or you own your own business, IT is definitely good. I have a sick picture I'm gonna show you guys from the track yesterday. Yeah, trading pays for toys, exactly. Like my track day yesterday got paid for, my car has been paid for, so it's like any extra income is good and I enjoy it, I have the time, so I'm not really like I would be probably sleeping still if not for trading. Like I don't have anything to do till like, noon, which is coming up soon, but I'll probably be sleeping till like 10, 10:30, 11 because most of my stuff even with DJing happens later in the day. Like my, appointments and all that stuff. So it's not like trading is getting in the way of anything. So as long as I'm not losing money trading, and I did lose money trading for a long time, so I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but at this stage, if I am not losing money, I'm okay. And I'm not gonna lose money for a long time. Have way too much cushion. But Mr. Whatever lefty music is probably gambling his accounts and just projecting. Mike Benny, yeah, exactly. So see, we're on the same page. It's really hard to be disciplined and waking up early, especially like my schedule is crazy. Like I go to sleep so late on the weekends. So for me to reset on the Monday, with waking up is only because of trading. And it's because I love it. Like sometimes I wake up, I'm like, I am so exhausted. I don't want to be here. And only because I love trading so much is why I would actually get up and do it. Yeah, so the way you like I see a support here, it's struggling to go down. That's how I see a reversal. Like I think it's gonna go back up. Today is a day that seems to be in a range. And if it pulls back again and the bounces, I'll go long. But I might just break out now since we're talking about it. But I don't want to chase here, stop out here, and then to go, so What would you say is a decent income for a single 21-year-old in the US? Depends where you live. Depends. That's the top 10%. Let me show you. Top percent income in the US. This is a wild statistic because it does not feel like it. So this is the average like top 10% earners are right here, which is crazy. Like that's not that much money, guys. Like if you're single and you need to, buy a house or you want to buy something nice, like a car, like freaking car is like 70, 80,000 every car nowadays. Like it's hard to buy a cheap car. That's not like a, bottom of the barrel type of car. Like a SUV, you go like a Tahoe or, something, nothing crazy, but nothing like, bottom of the barrel, like a pickup truck, for example, it's like 60,000. It's like the fact that this is 10%, that's kind of scary to me. I hope to be in this category. That's my goal. This is my goal for 2024. Between every income stream, of course. If I can make this much money trading, that'd be amazing. But Patrick Wieland is in the top 1%. And people hate on him, and it's pretty funny to me, but I understand why they do it. But he's clear about not making that much money trading, so he's a top 1%er. It's if what he claims is real, that he made over $1 million this year, but props to him. Yeah, college I could go on the rant with college. I wish I never went to college. But I was supposed to go in medicine, actually. So medicine was my big passion. I was an EMT for a long time. And after like a few years as an EMT, I wasn't excited anymore. As bad as it sounds, when someone called an ambulance at 2 o'clock in the morning, because trust me, people use ambulances as a taxi. So they'll make up some, that they haven't been feeling well for, let's say, they'll say 3-4 days. And then we ask them, so why'd you call an ambulance at 2 o'clock in the morning instead of like during the day? So when that happened, when the ambulance got called middle of the night, when I'm already exhausted from work and my other job and, going to school and all that stuff, like I was hoping that something was really happening. And just wasn't excited anymore. The adrenaline didn't kick in. And I just realized that it probably wasn't for me. And that's also when DJing kind of took off. And I just continued to be an EMT on the side as a part-time job till my license expired. And then I just went full-time with the business in 2015. And then shortly after that, I realized how much time I had on my hands. So in 2016 is when I got into day trading. For the first 2.5 years, I got my ass kicked. Shortly after the first year, I was able to make money consistently, in a sense where I was able to make money, not a lot, 50, $100 a day, but then I would lose it. So, and then go on a spiral down. And obviously back then I didn't have a budget to kind of just keep blowing money. There was no prop firms. There was nothing like that. So I had to keep refunding my actual account. And, I lost quite a lot in the first 3 years of trading. And in 2019, I took my biggest loss. I was already kind of turning into a profitable trader at this time. And then I took a $10,000 loss within 2 hours, just one day, January 5th or something like that of 2019. And that set me back like 3 months, So I was profitable for a long time and then lose 10K in one single trade or whatever it was. And it hurt. That's still to this day my biggest trading loss I've ever had. I'm not counting these prop firms, like if I lose 10 funded accounts, I don't count that as $25,000 lost. So I've had a big loss on the funded accounts when I was up in profit. So I was up, let's say, I think like close to $3,000 per account. I think I lost 3 accounts in one day copy trading. So that was close to 10 grand of a loss, but it felt a lot different. And I made a video about that recently. Any of you guys that are into YouTube, or if you're young and you don't have a job or you're in school, just start a YouTube channel with trading as well. That could pay for, a car. Like you can make a car payment on YouTube once you, grow it for a little bit. And this, I'm gonna go long. I like this long. Let's see what happens here. We had the 200 SMA there, but I want a little bit more and then I'll just break even. All right, I'm up over 5 points. I'll just break even, stop. Target could be that's probably too high up. I'll just make the target there. There's a lot of resistance. And I'll make this a little bit of a profitable trade. Where I live, most people aspire to get around 800 to 1200 monthly. Where is that? Where I'm from, 1200 monthly, you wouldn't be able to do anything. 1200 monthly is good for like a high school kid. Oh, Mexico, nice. Yeah, if you live in different countries, you have a huge advantage with these prop firms. I just missed the fill. I wasn't even watching. But you have a huge advantage with these prop firms because you can make small profits and make a decent living, And they're not expensive in the sense where like with regular day trading, yes, it's the same thing. You don't have to make a lot, but to start day trading, you need a lot of money. And with these prop firms, you don't. So they allow you to kind of, get there much sooner and with much less. What an annoying trade. I've tried so many indicators and I just know they work one day and the next day they don't. So it's fine. My target was just a little too high there, right at the resistance, so it's all good. I'm it's already 12. I gotta sign off soon. I got an appointment at 1. How my stock's doing? I'm down $200 on stocks. I was down like 1,000 earlier. I can't get much going with this Topstep account. Oh my God, why am I almost had that order up there still. Yeah, it's gonna hit my target now. Oh, maybe not. Is there some kind of news at 12, guys? Do you know? I don't want to be in a trade if there's news, but I actually want to go long again. As soon as I see it, and I'm gonna take it on the trade day account.
Order filled.
This trade day account looks so different. The trade of 8. Go, go, go.
Order filled.
Yay. I made $245 on trade day account, guys. 250. I went long here in the 50 tick target. Because you got to trade for 10 days. So I'll just make $200 a day on trade day, I guess. Damn it. I don't really have a code for Topstep. I just signed up for trade day right now. People got in my head, and seems like a pretty good choice. I don't know if I prefer over Apex. You can only have one account, so I can't make a lot. Yeah, I use Iman's code. Yeah, what a breakout. Oh, really want to get $1,500 on this. Do I chase it? Do I chase it? I chased it. And I am gonna lose. See what happens when you... I think I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it. I'm not gonna be able to pass Topstep this week. I mean, in today's. Just can't get anything going on it. Missed like profits by like, like here, if I just got a profitable trade, everything would have been different. If I never got short here, it would have been different. So there's a lot of things that just Didn't go my way. I was up over 1,000, up 620 now, up 900 on the account. Yeah. I think rushing it is just not gonna work. Just gotta take my time. Plus, I don't like Topstep's payout policy. But I got a free reset with them. That's why I even got the account. Oh, How is Nutty doing today? I think ever since Top Step started streaming, the viewership of other streamers went down. I don't know if I'm the only one that noticed that, but oh, never mind. Nutty still have 200 people watching. Oh, I need to go shower. I need a nice cold shower. Looks like it wants to go lower too, but I think it's gonna go back up. I don't like this rejection. I wouldn't be surprised if it retests these lows. Has anyone gotten payout from Apex? I've received. Oh, where are you from? I always received my payouts on time. I'm gonna take a trade in my Bullnox account. I'm waiting for a withdrawal from it, so I'm just gonna scalp. Yeah, I'm not sure why you wouldn't get your payout. Was it approved? Alright, it says 100 and mind, that's $60. I don't know why I thought it was more. So with my Bullnox account, I'm up $4,675. I hope to withdraw all of it sometime. I think you have to trade for like 50 days or something. Oh, I was supposed to show you guys a picture from the track. So this is me, and this car spun right in front of me. That was pretty scary. My biggest scare was like, are these cars aware of the situation? Like, I didn't want them hitting me. Like, I knew I was able to avoid him, but if these cars weren't aware, then would have been bad. I hope they figure that out for you soon, man. That sucks. Ah, the price action is so choppy, guys. I think I'm gonna call it. Crappy day on stocks. 2 days in a row. Had a bad day yesterday too. Been so choppy last couple of months, really. September was good, but can you drop or not? Uh, not enough range. So when you trace, you just get cut. That's why I love to scalp this type of action, which I might even do after this on my Apex accounts. Okay, that's better though. This is the low is pretty much 10 points. All right, stop is gonna be here. Break even stop at worst case. It's gonna be stopping out. Looks like it definitely doesn't want to go down. That's unfortunate. I'm sorry to hear about that. I know a lot of people have been dealing with crazy stuff overseas. Obviously, in the US, I have no problems with getting money from them. Wow. Just missed the stop. Like it's gonna go lower, but might stop me out first. But I'm not letting this trade go to red. No point. I'm happy with the day. It's just, you know, a top step I want to pass as soon as possible. So I'd like to get to $1,500 on the day, but technically my target is 50 ticks and I should have been hit, but I'm hoping to see the breakdown the lows because I think it might want to retest like 70. But before you said you expected it to go higher. I'm just gonna do a quick 5-point trailing stop. Actually, the same 10-point stop now, profit. So I'll take that. Come on, big drop. That was a good win. Oh, now it drops. Bastards. And now it's at the lows. That was like a good target. But got 20 points out of that. If I could make $200 more, then tomorrow I could pass Top Step. But I've been at this profit for so long today, and then every time I get over 1,000, I keep losing. Thank you, Danny boy. Yeah, that was a decent trade. Oh man, I need some sleep. Down 200 still. Is there a reason, Janelle, that they wouldn't approve it? Like, did you stay consistent and did you trade for 10 days? Obviously, I have to trade for 10 days to for the payout thing to even show up. But did you actually like trade, not just flip? Can't believe how close we came to stop out at break even here. Jeez. All right, guys, I gotta head out. I got an appointment at 1. I still gotta take a cold shower before I fall asleep. Like, the track days beat the hell out of you guys. Like, the G-forces, the noise, the smell of the brakes and the tires. Oh, we're going lower. Should have kept my target a little lower, but Fripp, dude, you said it will come back up before. See, like, that's what I'm saying. We just never know. Like, in this area, you were saying that it's gonna go back up. And I didn't like this rejection. Like, this bit rejection is red flag, and then we never tested the lows, so big head and shoulders. Like, this is the head, and these are the shoulders. Yes, I don't know. A weird person, but okay, now I definitely don't want to go short, and I definitely can't go long yet, so yeah, Morris, I don't know if for you it's the payment method or what it is, but that's a shitty situation. Sorry, guys. I need to go. I need to shower. Because if I don't, I'm not gonna last through my meetings. Midday cold shower, wake me up. Get another Red Bull. Good day trading so far. I'm probably gonna trade a little bit more later on before the close, but for now, that's gonna be it. So 1,000 on Topstep, 60 on Bullnox PA account, 300 on Apex PA account. I don't know what day I'm on with that account. All right, so today's day number 5 of my Apex PA account. Wow, we're still going lower. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh. Oh my God. All right, guys. I gotta go. Keep yawning. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Good day. Hope you guys had a good day. And yeah, let's get these accounts funded for November. Gotta focus on November, end of November, and December to really end the year with a good payout.